So I got this. This is my toner, guys. Vitamin hyaluronic ampoule toner. Yes, hyaluronic. Siya, guys. Made in Korea. First, maglalagay tayo dito mga 5 dots. And this is my serum, guys. After ng toner, magsiserum ako. At nabili ko to, guys, sa Innisfree shop. Also, this is made in Korea. Hyaluronic. Hyaluronic is good for hydration our skin, guys. So, ito siya. First serum in the morning, daily routine time. I mean, in the morning, daytime skincare routine ko, guys. Ito siya, hyaluronic. After toner, and then serum, which is hyaluronic serum for hydration. And I have this pore refining serum, niacinamide. Ito siya, guys. I bought this in Mannings here in Hong Kong, and I think so Watsons meron din ito, guys, pag nasa Pilipinas ka. Any niacinamide, any brand, but for me this one is more effective. So ito siya, guys. Niacinamide is good for anti-aging at pampaganda ng skin. Okay, so first let's put the hyaluronic. Nabubulol ako. Bulol talaga ako. So, let's shake first. Shake it. Okay. And then, put like a pea or pearl size in our palm or on your palm. In my palm. So ayan, ito siya, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. So, pearl size. Kung ano, guys, kung ano kalaki yung, yung pearl size ng earrings, ganun din siya, guys, kalaki. I mean, kadami yung ilalagay. So, let's go. Let's dump. So, ganyan lang, guys. Huwag i-rub ang palm sa face. Ipat-pat dry lang siya. I mean, parang minamassage din, guys. Alam mo yung pinipress mo yung skin mo para ma-absorb ng skin mo yung silicone. So, wait for 2 minutes before applying the another serum. So, habang naghihintay tayo, guys, ng 2 minutes, massage mo yung face mo. Para lumit, guys, yung mga panga natin. Mga panga, ilan yung panga sa mukha? More than one? Tama nga naman, mga panga, diba? So, ito kasi 1, 2. So, yeah. So, okay na to, guys. Next na natin yung niacinamide. So, shake it first. Shake it. Para gumising ang mga kaluluwang natutulog. So, ito siya, guys. So, let's put again the pearl size in your palm. Okay na siya. So, the same way. Chuk, 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 chuk. Chuk, chuk, chuk. So there. 2 minutes pa rin guys after magpangalawang serum, and then apply mo yung favorite cream mo, moisturizing cream, and of course don't forget to use the sunblock. Sunblock is very important even though walang masyadong mainit sa labas, pero kailangan talaga sa daytime skin block, hindi masyadong mainit guys. So, huwag kang magpakampante kung ayaw mong masira ang mukha mong nag-invest ka na ng ilang thousands of pesos para matanggal yung mga sumpa. Okay. So, ang dami ko nagawa ngayong araw guys. Nagligpit ako ng room ko, lahat ng mga damit ko tinupi. And after nito guys na skincare ko, lalabas ako and maghahanap ng books para sa aking journal. My God. Hindi ko guys na video kanina, naglagay pala ako ng lip balm na Nivea na meron siyang